Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Last night I prepared shrimp and cabbage. An Asian twist on something I already do with sausage and cabbage, but this is definitely Asian flair. It was very good. The pictures and the video are up in the group, and I will make sure the recipe gets into the group this morning. Robin and I just got back from the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market, and we picked up some goodies for next week. But let's go over what I'm doing next week. Starting tomorrow, it's barley with garlic citrus chicken, baby spinach, and butternut squash. Monday, I'm going to be doing baklava rolls. Yeah. And I picked up something today at the farmer's market to go in that. And then I'm doing gazpacho. The whole reason to go to the farmer's market this morning was gazpacho. Then Tuesday, fend for yourselves. Robin's got a meeting. Wednesday is chop suey. I discovered this particular recipe by doing a recipe research and search for a friend of mine, Gail Carter. And then Thursday is my nachos with my cheese sauce. Yeah. Friday is ham and leek pasta. And then Saturday is bratwurst. Yeah, I have some buns in there that I needed. Yeah. So it's going to be brats and fries. All right, let's go to what I picked up at the farmer's market. Big old bunch of Mediterranean basil. This was like $3. I won't even be able to use all of this. All right, I picked up some red onions. I had some great success with the red onions I got a couple weeks ago. Here's the honey. This is local honey out of Rio Oso. It's wildflower honey because I have to stop stealing Robin's honey because obviously the baklava uses a lot of honey. And I picked up these beautiful tomatoes for the gazpacho. Yes. Nothing like good tomatoes with gazpacho, because you know I don't grow them because I have black thumbs. So, and you can't, store-bought, yuck. That's the whole, there are two purposes to go to the farmer's market this morning: the tomatoes and the honey. Yes. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.